Desmos to the rescue again. We got line L passes through the point 0, 0 and is parallel to the line represented blah, 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 blah. Well, let's start getting a sketch of that. So I'm going to put 0, 0. Let's hit the label button. Then I'm going to do y equals 8x plus 2. And I can see if I zoom in that that does not go through that point. But let's take a picture of what's going on right now and try to figure out how to make sense of what they're talking about. They said in the xy plane, line L passes through the point 0, 0 and is parallel to this other one. So the one I have in green is the y equals 8x plus 2. But there's some other line that is not graphed right now. It's not here, but it's got to be parallel to the green one. And it also has to go through the point 0, 0. Well, if I have to do that, then okay, let's make it parallel and go through the point. Okay, there we go. It is going to look something like that. Now, if I want the equation for that guy, it should also be in y equals mx plus b form. And the thing I have to know is that when lines are parallel, they're going to share the same slope. And the slope is the number in front of the x. It's the m. So that means I know that the slope of the other guy is going to have to be 8. So it's going to be 8x plus whatever the y-intercept is. And the y-intercept, well, where does it go through the y-axis? It goes through at 0. So that's my b. Okay, so now 8x plus 0, that's the same thing as just saying y equals 8x. And now what that line is line L. So line L is the one that goes through point 0, 0. Now that's important because they said if line L also passes through the point 3 comma D, so they're talking about line L, so they're talking about this equation. But they're saying it goes through the point 3 comma D. Okay, well 3D, that is in x comma y form. So that means where I see the x, I should put a 3, and where I see the y, I should put a d. So it's going to be d equals 8 times 3. When 8 is next to the x, it means times. So now we have 8 times 3, which is 24. That's what they wanted to know. They wanted to know the value of d, so we are done.